Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to install Instagram on MacBook as an app. To do so, first of all open your Safari and then open instagram.com. Then click on the file on the top and there you will see add to dock option, but this is not available in every case. If it is available, then simply click on that and it will be installed as a app. But if you see on the app store of your Mac OS and then search for Instagram, then there is no any Instagram application available on the app store of Mac OS. As you can see, there is no Instagram application, so there is no any other option to install Instagram on Mac as an app. You have to use website. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.